Google is making a move to reinvent search, and it's doing it at full speed. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google has just launched Gemini 3 Flash, a new AI model designed to think smarter while responding as fast as a normal Google search. For the first time, Google says you can get powerful AI reasoning without the annoying wait times that have made AI search far from a necessity. Gemini 3 Flash is now live worldwide inside Google's AI mode, and it's completely free to use. According to Google, it's got sharp reasoning, tool use, and multimodal skills, allowing AI mode to tackle complex questions with clean, well-formatted answers, all without slowing things down. That speed could be the missing piece Google needs to turn AI mode into the main way people search the web. Until now, AI mode has struggled to win over users, often feeling gimmicky and slower than traditional search. Gemini 3 Flash aims to flip that script by delivering results quickly while still letting users click through to real sources and trusted websites. The upgraded AI understands more and responds with clearer, more helpful answers. Instead of scrolling through links, users are offered a structured response first, then the option to dive deeper across the web. In the US, Google is giving more people access to Gemini 3 Pro and its AI image tool, Nano Banana Pro through AI mode. These tools are free, but using them a lot needs a Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription. The big question is, can AI mode really replace regular Google search? Just AI answers sound great, but they need to be accurate and reliable. If anyone can get people to trust AI for everyday searching, it's Google, and Gemini 3 Flash could be the one to make it happen. Can you trust AI with your questions? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Google has officially launched Gemini 3 Deep Think, an AI model designed to tackle problems so tricky they leave the smartest machines behind and humans scratching their heads. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. The new model, which is available only to elite subscribers of the Google AI Ultra plan, promises to take AI reasoning to an entirely new level. Google revealed the AI in a blog post with its record-breaking performance on humanity's last exam, where it scored a shocking 41% without any tools, the highest ever on the test. Gemini 3 Deep Think isn't just another chatbot. It uses a cutting-edge method called parallel reasoning, explores multiple solution paths at once rather than relying on a single chain of thought. This allows it to refine its answers through multiple rounds of evaluation for better solutions for complex problems in math, science, and logic. Google said this new mode delivers a meaningful improvement in reasoning capabilities designed to tackle problems that challenge even the most advanced state-of-the-art models, hinting AI could change how we approach complicated tasks. For now, the ultra-powerful Gemini 3 Deep Think is limited to a small group of paying subscribers. Users on the Google AI Ultra plan can access it via the Gemini website or app by selecting Deep Think in the prompt bar and choosing Gemini 3 Pro in the model picker. People are guessing what this new AI powerhouse can do and whether it's just a sneak peek at the next era of artificial intelligence. With Gemini 3 Deep Think, Google is showing the world that AI isn't just getting smarter, it's thinking in ways we've never imagined. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Google isn't catching up anymore. It's firing back, and the target is OpenAI. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Google has unleashed its newest AI model, Gemini 3, and it says it's smarter, sharper, and far less needy than anything. CEO Sundar Pichai hyped the model as one that grasps depth and nuance and helps people get answers with less prompting. In easy words, no more writing paragraphs to get your point understood. Gemini 3 can take a messy, handwritten recipe in multiple languages and turn it into a polished family cookbook, or watch your pickleball footage and spit out a personalized training plan. This thing isn't just reading, it's analyzing. Gemini 3 is now plugged into all of Google's biggest products like Search, the Gemini app, AI Studio, and Vertex AI, and it already has a massive audience with 650 million app users and 2 billion people seeing AI overviews each month. Google's AI leaders say Gemini 3 Pro avoids cliche and flattery, a clear jab at ChatGPT, and the timing shows Google is in fact targeting OpenAI as it just launched its Atlas browser and GPT-5, which now serves 700 million weekly users. All in all, Google and OpenAI are in full-on AI showdown, and Gemini 3 is Google's loudest shot yet. Which one is your choice of AI chatbot? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Is your phone about to get way smarter? Google just rolled out Gemini 3.0 today, a next-level AI with epic text, image processing, and real-time translation baked into Pixel 10 devices. It's trending huge on experts' mind-blowing multimodal powers. Stick around to see why this AI drop is a 2025 game-changer. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google is shaping up the AI game with the Gemini 3.0 rollout announced today. Integrated with Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, this advanced AI model brings improved multimodal capabilities for text, images, and real-time translation. X-users are buzzing about its seamless Pixel integration, and sources are calling it Google's boldest AI yet. Let's dive into why Gemini 3.0 is about to level up your phone. So what's Gemini 3.0 bringing to the table? Built on the Gemini 2.5 Pro foundation, it's a multimodal AI with 2 million token context window. That's up to 3,000 pages of text or 60,000 lines of code processed at once. On Pixel 10 devices, it powers real-time translation in 140+ languages, like translating a French cafe menu via the camera in seconds, with 98% accuracy for complex phrases. Image processing shines with VO3 integration, letting you edit photos using text prompts. Say, swap the sky for a sunset, and it's done, with Synth ID watermarking for authenticity. Text tasks. Gemini 3.0 summarizes emails, drafts replies, and even generates 8-second video clips from prompts, all via Oxygen OS 16 on Android 16. Running on the Tensor G5 chip with Gemini Nano 3.0 for offline tasks, it's lightning fast with 4 ms latency for voice commands and a 20% boost in efficiency over Gemini 2.0. Why is this blowing up? X-users are hyping Gemini 3.0's image editing, saying it's Photoshop in your pocket. The Pixel 10's Gemini 3.0 outshines the iPhone 16's Apple Intelligence for live translation, with 40% faster processing thanks to the Tensor G5. Compared to Meta's Ray-Ban Meta glasses, Gemini 3.0's AR display integration is smoother, with context-aware overlays for navigation and tasks. It needs a Google One AI Premium plan for full features, but offline Nano 3.0 handles summaries and replies free. Battery life. The 5100 mAh Pixel 10 lasts 1.5 days, even with AI-heavy tasks. This rollout's a bold move to make AI accessible on device. Let's get you in on the action. Picture Gemini 3.0 on your Pixel 10. What's your vibe? Translating a menu abroad in real time, editing selfies with a text prompt, or getting instant email summaries? Drop your dream Gemini moment in the comments.